Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
ABC Craig Houdin Chris Harrison appears on the set of The Bachelorette at La Quinta Resort and Club. Chris Harrison was temporarily replaced as the host of The Bachelorette due to the strict quarantine rules put in place to protect the contestants and the crew amid the coronavirus pandemic.
Take our lead.
Reality Steve noted in a Frank blog post that he didn't know what was happening exactly, but he did give this interesting tidbit. Over the last month, I've had 2 different people tell me that Tayshia chose Zach at the end. At some point after filming they broke things off, and that she is currently back in touch 3 days ago.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A source told ET in August that JoJo filled in while Chris missed a few days of filming to take his son to college. This was a pre-planned event done totally in coordination with production, the source said.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Episode 8 featured Fletcher appearing at Adam's doorstep to discuss her relationships with the remaining men before Harrison and Fletcher explained that she would be taking over hosting duties so that Harrison could take his son to college.
Take our lead.
Chris Harrison is in the business of love. He's been the host of The Bachelor since 2002 and helped bring together dozens of couples. Here's everything we know about this love guru's IRL love life. Is Chris Harrison married?
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Is Chris Harrison retiring? It has been now confirmed by people that the speculations of his retirement are not true, and the rest was simply taken by for the simple reason of him having to drop his son off to college, which is reportedly located in Texas.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
JoJo Fletcher. The Bachelorette. How JoJo Fletcher did as Chris Harrison's replacement host. Spoilers ahead for the December 1st episode of The Bachelorette Season 16 on ABC. This unconventional season of The Bachelorette just became even more unconventional thanks to Chris Harrison stepping away from hosting duties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.